Let's learn and color with fun ABC Kids.
I for insect. Which color?
Light blue color, light pink color, pink color, black color, dark blue color, dark green color, light green color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, red color, brown color.
Insect. Let us trace the letter I using which color is this, kids? Come on, kids. Good job, brown color. Let us draw capital I. Capital I is a standing line. This is also called as, tell me kids, what is this line called as? Standing line or straight line. This is horizontal line. Horizontal line. Capital I. Let us draw small I. Standing line. Small circle. Small I. I for insect. Let us draw an insect.
Pink, yellow, brown,
Capital I, small I for insect. Capital I, standing line, horizontal line, horizontal line. Capital I, standing line, small dot, small I. I for insect. Which color is this, kids? Pink color, yellow color, and this is brown color. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.